Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. In today's video, I'm going to show you how to convert normal video to 4K in Capcut. So first of all, I'm going to open up a video in Capcut and then just select the video. So first of all, you have to go for this effects and go for video effect, and you have to scroll to the left until you see this comic, and in comic you have to search for B and W effect as you can see here. So just select that, just expand the effect to overall on your video like this. Now go to this video effect again, and this time just go for this lens, and in lens you have to search for blur. This time there it is, just tap on this blur, and again you have to expand the effect to the whole video, and now you have to export this video. Just simply export, and now you have to replace your BMW effect. So just tap on this effect and tap on this replace effect, and again you have to go for this comic, and this time you have to choose neon effect, this one, tap on it. Now you have to export this second file as well, and then you have to reset the video, and now just simply tap on this overlay, tap on add overlay, and now you have to add the first edit, and now you just have to simply tap on this blend, and you have to scroll and choose this slide, set the opacity on 50. Now you have to add overlay again, so simply tap on overlay, and now you have to add the second video you've exported and go for blend again. This time you have to choose this dodge, and now you just have to export the video and your 4K video is ready. So that's pretty much it for this video. I hope this video was helpful. If it is, like it and subscribe to the channel. Thank you.